Guys, today I'm going to show you what we got from our squishy haul. So, we got lots of axolotls, squishy needle axolotls, a needle. Also, we also have another needle. We have dumplings that I'm gonna open. 1 second. Okay, so we're gonna open this dumpling. And also, it's the only glitter ones. So, yeah. Okay. I got the white one. Oh, that's so cute. Oh, that's so cute. Let's open this one. Honestly, the white one is so cute. Look how cute that is. Look how cute that is. Oh, it's so cute. Okay, let's. Okay. Oh, and look. Hi. Oh, I can just do that. Oh, I got the red one! Yay! It kind of looks like Coca-Cola. It looks like Coca-Cola. That is so cool. That is so cool. Okay, so I got the red one. It looks like Coca-Cola. White and red. Coca-Cola. 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 Okay, but I actually like these. These are so cute. I love them. They're so cute. Squishy. Yeah, and then we're gonna be opening this. We have like a needle with little snowflakes in them. It's good for Christmas or winter. Like maybe a winter needle, like a winter Christmas needle.